Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel. In this video we learn day's name in English. Let's start. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. Monday, Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.